viewers, what's up? How are you guys? How is everything? Today I have got this parcel and we are going to see that what we have got inside. We are gonna unbox this parcel and we will see what we have got. So guys, stay tuned with me. I am gonna open it up and I will give you the review of this product and we will see that. So stay tuned with me and we are going to start the video. And before starting the video, please subscribe. Okay, thank you. We are going to move ahead. So guys, as you can see, we have got the automatic gravel cleaner and it is made of the NICREW company, and here you can see in the picture. So guys, today's video is about the review of this gravel cleaner and I am gonna tell you how to use it, and we are also gonna discuss the function of this. So let's open it up and see what we have got inside. We are going to remove this tape and you will see. Here we have opened it and let's see what are the accessories and what are the parts we have. So here we go. So guys, here we have got the tube and it has got some bends, but don't worry, as you can see it is good quality tube. And now we see the main assembly. This is the assembly, guys, and here we have got these small tube and this is the power plug. And what else we have got inside? Here we have got the filter and here we have got the bracket. So these are the things we have got, and here we have got the user manual. You can see the manual as well. So we are going to check it later. And here we have got the card for the review. This is original NICREW product. So guys, we are going to discuss that how to use it and how we are going to assemble it, and I will show you the function of this. So guys, don't skip the video, we are going to move ahead. Okay guys, now we are going to see that how we will use this. First of all, I am gonna tell you about this button. This is the on off button. As you can see, we can press and you can hear the sound. This is on off button. And here we have got the filter. I show you by separating it. You can separate it like this. And this is the filter assembly, guys. I show you that how to open it and how we can use this assembly. This is the top cover of the filter and the white color, this is the filter, and this is the bottom cover. So first of all, we are going to use it as a gravel cleaner, so we are not going to change anything. I am closing this and I am going to putting it back like this. Here you can see there is a hole, so this is, it will be like this. And here we have got the rotor assembly, and there is a motor which sucks the water from this side, and here you can see the fan of the propeller and of white color. Now we talk about the extension and the pipe. Here is the pipe, it will be fixed like this, and this is the suction nozzle, it will be installed like this, and this is the extension of the suction nozzle, and it will be fixed like this. So guys, here we have got the complete assembly, and now it's ready for use for cleaning of the gravel. I will show you that how it will clean. Guys, it will suck the water from this side, and it will remove the small particles including dust, and it will travel like this and this way, and after filtering the small particles and the dust, the water will come out from here, and it will again be mixed with the water of the aquarium. So this is the recycling process. The water will come and it will got filtered here, and the plain water will come out here, and we will control on off here, and here we have got the switch. So now I am gonna show you that how we will use it for the cleaning of the gravel, and we will see how it works. Okay guys, now we are going to clean the gravel of this tank, and here we have insert the siphon, and you can see this is the on off switch, and I am gonna turn on here like this, and you can see it is working now. It is sucking the water, and after filtering the water, it is throwing back water into the aquarium, and I show you. Here you can see it is filtering the small particles, and here we have got some particles in the filter, and the clean water is again coming back into the tank. We can remove this small particles from the plants and stones as well. Here you can see the small particles are filtering, and the clean water is again coming back to the aquarium. So in this way guys, we can use it as the cleaning the gravel. It is quite useful product guys. Now we will see that how to use it for cleaning, changing the water. So guys, now I am going to show you that how we are going to use this for changing the water. I have shown you that how we can use for cleaning the gravel. So the rest of the assembly will remain like this. What we are going to do, we are going to change this part, the filter assembly. I am separating this, and we are going to open from this side the top part of the filter assembly. Here you can see a hole, and now we need this guys. I show you in the beginning. Here we have got the extra filter, and here we have got another filter cover. This is the extra filter guys. So guys, now what we are going to do, we are going to install it here like this, and we are gonna again install the filter here. As you can see, the whole part here like this. And I told you that we have got the rubber tube. Here we have got the rubber tube, so we are going to install the tube here. And okay guys, now we have set it for changing the water. As you can see, I showed you, I have attached the pump and I changed this head of the filtration, and this is the output of the water. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add like this, and this is the output of the water, and we will here put it in the bucket, and I'm gonna start it here. I show you. So guys, the water is coming from here, and here you can see the water is coming out from here. So now we are using it for changing the water. It is not sucking the particles, it is just changing the water, and it is not filtering the water. It is just pushing out the water, and here we have got the water. So guys, in this way you can use it for the changing of water. So in my view guys, it is quite good tool, and you can use for two purposes: for cleaning your gravel and for changing the water. It has got two functions. So I would recommend you guys, it is a good tool and you must have, and it will save your time as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe. Bye bye.